I know many of you are tired for finding the best skills to learn in 2025, and there are a lot of videos about this, like you should try these garbage skills. They make those videos only for views. At least don't waste the time of people. But let's get real. You don't need another list, you need direction, you need clarity, and most importantly, you need a raw and real truth. Because the right skill, it is not just about trends, it is about relevance, it is about income and control over your future. And if you are still watching, then you are not looking for shortcuts, you are looking to build something for real. So in this video, I am not giving you a 10 random skills, I am giving you a blueprint. The skills that actually pay, that actually grow, and that still be relevant when all the popular trends fade away. These are the skills that companies hire for, clients pay premium for, and creators build empire with. I am talking about skills that are recession proof, skills that give you leverage, not labor, skills that can take you from being just another viewer to a player in the game. So let's cut the noise, kill the fluff, and jump straight into the right deal. In 2025, attention is currency, and the ones who win are the ones who know how to tell a damn good story. Let's say two people sell the same product. One lists features, the other tells you how that product changed someone's life. Who do you trust more? Exactly. Storytelling is not just for YouTubers, it is for founders, freelancers, coders, marketers, and even AI builders. Because if you can't communicate value, you will stay invisible. So plan to action is start a 30-second daily content challenge, write, record, or post something that hooks attention. You can be the best, but if no one sees you, you are broke genius. Marketing in 2025 is not just about running ads. It is about engineering conversions, understanding why a user clicks, what triggers trust, where you lose them, and how to fix it. The best creators and brands don't just go viral, they grow with precision. So, plan to action is learn how funnel works, study tools like Google Tag Manager, Hotjar, email automation, etc. Run a test, try selling anything, and track how people move through your funnel. AI is not taking your job. Someone who knows how to use AI is better than you, and he or she absolutely will. You don't need to code AI, you need to talk it like a pro. The internet is droning in generic ChatGPT prompts, but 2025 belongs to the ones who can design custom workflows, build AI-assisted systems, and generate automated output that actually works. Companies are hiring for this. Freelancers are monetizing this, and solopreneurs, they are replacing full teams with smart prompt chains. So, plan to action is learn chain of thought prompting, explore GPT-based tools for writing, video editing, coding, and strategy. Build your own mini workflow with tools like ChatGPT plus Notion or Zapier. You don't need to raise capital, you need to build an MVP and test it in the real world. With tools like Lovable, Bolt, Framer, and Glide, you can build full apps, websites, CRMs, and even marketplaces without writing a single line of code. Founders are launching software as a service platforms solo. Creators are building membership with communities backend logic. Freelancers are solving client problems in a couple of days, not months. So plan to action is pick one tool, start with Lovable or Bolt, build a simple tool, a portfolio site, a code generator, a mini CRM. Post it, ship it, and iterate. In the age of short attention spans, editing is not just a skill, it is a superpower. But not just any editing, not the overused templates or Instagram B-roll fluff. We are talking scroll-stopping intros, snappy pacing, story arcs in under 60 seconds. Brands are begging for this, creators are scaling with this. And if you know how to edit fast and with feel, you are untouchable. So plan to action. Learn cut-first editing. Practice editing short-form videos in 60 seconds or less. Master the tools like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or After Effects. Add your own storytelling twist. Don't be another template robot. The truth, 2025 won't wait for you to feel ready. Everyone is trying to look productive, but only a few are actually building skills that compound. Pick one skill and try to go as much deep as you can go. Stop collecting information, start collecting wins. Because this year, you are either scrolling endlessly or you are stacking skills that buy your freedom.